Starting the stream. And yeah, I'm live too. Alright, so I am me and Sandvoxel here. Or Sandvoxel and I, if I want to be grammatically pedantic. We're working on this Minecraft mod that it's been in development for a while. It's called GeneriTech, your generic tech mod. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Wait, are you currently there? Oh wait, I think you might have the music playing. But what I was going to do was, so we had to fork the repository because the initial person who made it, it was Sandvoxel and mine's idea for the mod, but we got a few other people involved, one of which was Silent Sean. And he made some great code, but he didn't, like, he's kind of dropped off his involvement in the project, and he didn't give us control of the repo. So, as it stands currently, we made a fork, and one of the things I need to add in. There was a feature that got removed from the latest update before the fork, and I'm going to be adding those back in. It's these custom models and whatnot.
And I'm going to be fixing things in the background.
Nice.
Ooh, I need to not have noise coming out of my stream, please. Thanks.
Cool. Let's see.
Properties, not that. This. Yay! I didn't turn on my last stream light, and I need to close my door. That was loud. I just knocked my mic off my stand. Oops.
That was a little bit loud.
Well, that was because my entire microphone fell off the thing. I'm gonna have to grab it. Hold on.
Oh, alright. Technical difficulties, everyone. Yeah, it's honestly not that bad volume-wise, but it is certainly interesting noise. Okay, I just moved my CPU and RAM indicator onto my main screen right here, so y'all can kind of see what it's doing. Alright, so let's take a look at this. I actually need to extract everything from here. I don't need to, but I'm doing it so that they can see the icons and stuff. Sorry, what were you saying?
Oh, that's actually really good. That's much better than I thought it was gonna be.
What was?
Like, open my stream real quick. It looks really good.
Oh,
Here, I'll send you a link.
here.
Hold on.
let's watch after I open Firefox is my CPU usage shoots up.
Oh, I need Discord.
Oh, it's fine actually. It's fine.
Don't ignore this. This is not my Discord. Do not look at it. Away.
Oh, I don't have Discord open on the thing. Let's copy the link. Okay. Twitch tv.com/sandvoxel.
I didn't mean to close that.
And I'm live right now.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, it's just loading up. Taking a little bit of time.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, I see. Okay, it's just loading up. So, what was it that you wanted to point out with it?
The why give me notifications? How about you not?
Huh. Just because you've got the green screen.
You know that mod tutorial that I made?
No.
there was one I made. It was like a while back. It was on YouTube. It has like 1,400 views now.
Oh,
I
dang.
I made I made a comment saying if you'd like to reply if you'd like me to remake for 111 and if you'd like me to continue the series. I did that 3 weeks ago and I've had 2 people comment to me going, yes, please. That would be helpful, thank you.
Yeah. Honestly, making some mod tutorials wouldn't be a bad idea. If you need any, now you could probably figure it out, but I'm just talking about with the textures and block states and whatnot, getting those working. Just because I've poked around with those files a lot more.
Yeah.
All right, but yeah, it's not a bad stream you've got.
Nice.
So,
Got a haircut. Need a shower.
I need to get a haircut. I mean, I don't have a face cam, but I still need to get one because my hair is getting a little long.
My hair was like down to my chin. And then I got it cut a week ago.
Mine,
Looks like it does now.
like the front of my hair, I guess you'd call them my bangs. They go down to about the middle of my cheek. Yeah. All right. So let's see what's broken right now. I think this works.
Whatever.
Fix all the bugs. I thought I told you to fix all the bugs.
I did.
Oh, cool. Thanks. Here, wait. We need to be smelting iron dust.
I fixed all their bugs too.
Oh, wow. Did you fix all of Microsoft's bugs?
I wonder what would happen if I actually went to the Forge thing and went to issues and then put bug, fix all bugs, please.
I have issue, there are bugs. Please fix. Please write perfect code.
Please? If that.
Oh, I'm sorry. Write perfect code. Alright, so.
What's your name on Twitch? Your name is Crazy Grape, right?
It's actually Vineyard Berry because Crazy Grape is inappropriate / offensive. Because of the latter word in my username.
What? Grape?
Yeah. Take off the G. That's.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it thought you meant crazy rape.
It thought I meant crazy G rape. Yeah. I'm not the one who thought that. I mean, it's all of these filters, all of these regex filters that don't know how to account for the fact that, yeah.
Oh, that's great. Crazy G rape. What up, boys? Crazy G rape.
Oh my. But yeah, I'll have to see about getting that fixed at some point.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. Let's change the view to medium icons for everything. I think that's already done. So
you got link. I'm gonna steal your chat rules because they look pretty nice.
Oh, which chat rules?
The ones that you set up or something. I don't know. How does one set up chat rules?
I probably need to open it up again to like see what words are blocked and stuff, or
No. Cause you have like this.
Oh, that the rules. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. At twitch.tv. And then I'll see if
you could 100% stream in 1080p, right? 30 FPS.
Yeah, I could. The video. Yeah, I can't change it unless I stop and redo it. I was just kind of worried because of my. I mean, I've had issues with it in the past.
It's whatever.
I don't know.
Okay,
I
don't even
could
worry about it.
I could momentarily.
No, because I don't think it lets you do it while you're streaming, and I don't feel like stopping.
Yeah, I'd have to stop mine for a second, and Twitch and Beam or Mixer. Sorry.
Are you streaming multi-stream right now, or just
Yeah, I'm multi-streaming.
Neato?
Okay. Channel video manager dashboard. I think it's under either channel or dashboard. I'm pretty sure it's channel though.
Yeah, it's fine. Let's get modding.
Right. Let's do that. After
I'm gonna play the game for a minute or two.
just so that
See
Twitch
what
like
Oh yeah, I wonder if they'll get mad at me for having streaming my meme.
Yeah, I just said I was streaming Minecraft, and that's true enough. It is related to Minecraft. All right, so what we've got here is we've got it's called Nolium.
I almost advertised myself on the what's it called?
I don't know what
On
you're.
the I almost like told people I was streaming on Minecraft Mod Development, and I was just like, no. That would be a mistake.
Wait, what is that exactly? Like, what's the difference as far as
Well, I
that's
mean, I'd be
concerned?
advertising to people that are like literally better than Sean.
Oh, yeah.
Like the people here. Let me do a little quick survey for you to get you a good idea of what kind of people are in this chat. Let's just say that you know who TechNut is?
I believe so.
Yeah, he's in this Discord. You know what mods he makes, right?
Uh, oh, I forgot which ones he made, but I know that they're like prominent ones.
Blood Magic, Guide API, Iron Backpack, Soul
Right.
the
Yeah.
Launch GUI, Hawaii, more chisels, chisel stones, simple harvest, and redstone armory. He has over he has 3 million downloads. Another person who's on here is Jared. You know who that is?
No, I feel terrible right now because I don't know.
No, I don't know who they are either, but they have like, let's see, Mod Tweaker, FTB Lib, Craft Tweaker, Mind Tweaker, MT Lib, FTB Tweaks, Controlling, Initial Inventory, Base Clumps. Yeah, he's a bit more popular than us.
Just a bit.
There's another guy. The guy who made Security Craft is on here. Oh my god.
Oh.
The guy who made Ender.io is on here. Wait, why are there more downloads to Ender.io than there are Ender Core?
Because people don't know what requirements are. I don't know.
The guy who makes Thermal Expansion is on here.
Yeah, right now, I'm just showing off these upgrade textures that I made. This is the tier 1, this is the tier 2, and this is the tier 3. I think it's pretty clever, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Alright, so now let's add all of these. The Nolium stuff.
Do you want me to are you gonna add items, or do you want me to add all the items and then push it?
Ooh, I don't know. I can add the items, but if you want to, it's been a little while. Is there some sort of magic through Sean's code that I need to go?
Yes.
Okay.
It's done on an enum, so.
Right. I remember seeing for the other stuff how that works actually. Yeah, I remember. Where is it? It's under. Was it common? Items?
It's item. Yeah, item. It's common. What? There should be more under items. What?
Materials, machines,
Oh, I mean, hey,
debug.
look, what am I doing?
Oh.
I was like, there should be more here. So, like, items, you see what you gotta add the item class.
Yeah. Yeah, I can pretty easily add those. Where was it that we add? Oh, it was under the ore one,
Did
wasn't
you pull
it?
before you started working?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Because I fixed World Gen and I added smelting recipes for the iron.
Yeah, I can check, look through, make sure that I have the latest version, just to make sure. But that
Probably go to
most
my
recent
stream.
one. Well, what?
I was looking at your stream. I'm like, I should probably be on my stream.
Oh, yeah,
Okay,
maybe.
so I need to open. I'm going to open a text document, and I'm going to open.
Yeah,
Wait,
it's up to date.
actually, I'm going to bring up Trello, and I'm going to just start.
Oh, right. I need to re-add the custom models for
Yeah.
the what were they? Stuff. Custom models for the pulverizer and the furnace.
By the way, I fixed it, so now the Actually, did I fix that? Hold on. Yeah, I did. I made it. You know how you said that you could do. You had the issue of when you middle clicked on the machine frame to give you the non-existent tier 0.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's been fixed.
that's
Let's see.
nice.
So now, do the generators. We're also going to need to look at other generators to figure out what is the average. Now I'm trying to think. We have an option. We can make it more efficient as the tiers go up, so it gets more power out of one piece of coal, or we can make it burn the coal faster and create more power quicker, or we can have it less efficient but burns faster, like makes more power.
Well, what I was thinking was we could go a route similar to um how thermal expansion does. But what we do is the upgrades give you extra slots for you to put your own upgrades into. So the player can make that decision. Like if they would prefer it to burn stuff faster, for it to be more efficient, like, you know, for you to get more out of it. That sort of thing.
Yeah.
And then for, what was it? I think it was either one upgrade slot per tier, or maybe tier 1 started out with 2, or maybe tier 3 unlocked 2. Do we want to have 4 tiers total? Or, like, a tier 4, I should say, because, you know, the tier 0 is still technically a tier.
Yeah. I mean, we could, like, have all the tier 0 machines, like, because we only have really one tier 0 machine.
Right. So this would be the block models. Go to GeneriTech models, block. Let's try seeing if we can just copy the generator. No, wait, the generator's fine. We need the furnace, the energy reservoir, and the pulverizer. I think the tier 0 is fine. I think that one was explicitly meant to just resemble the vanilla furnace. Right?
Yeah.
Here, let's inject the model code. It is code, yeah.
Yeah.
And then
I'm going to need to fix the. Oh wait, is that an issue? I don't think that's a good.
Ooh. It's just dropping a bunch of errors as I'm remaking the code. Okay. Oh, come on. I'm just trying to wait for it to do its thing. And the game did not like that. Hey, my computer is acting a little weird. Here, you know what? I am going to stop streaming momentarily just so that I can get it set to 1080p.
Man, I lose train of thought so quickly. Oh yeah, let's check in.
Alright. We should be back. It says we're back.
Yeah. This is so much better than what I'm doing.
Let's try quitting and relaunching the game.
So it should be 1,000. But if I were to take it out, it would stay at 1,000, and then it would begin to decrease, but not in the proportions that I would want it to. What's 13 divided by?
13 divided by?
13 divided by 1,000.
13 divided by 1,000 is 0.0013. I think. Yeah, that should be right.
No, I wanted that the other way around. 77.
Oh, 1,000 divided by 13?
Minus 77. So around, so this is not working the way I want it to. At what point does it start going down then? Here's the tier 2 furnace. I'll put it on top. Put some. So it's going up faster than it should. Yeah, it works for the tier 0, I believe. The tier 1, I believe, should work.
Alright.
So if I put that in there, will you go proportionate? I'm pretty sure you will. But for some reason, what? Yeah, that works. This one works for tier. I think it's getting the same temperature.
Yeah.
For no. That's not how that should be working. Hold on, I need to go to the GUI.
No, that is not. Wait, or is this the pulverizer? Yeah, this is the pulverizer. So something is wrong. Wait, here. Please tell me that I copied them from the feature onto here and not the other way around.
System.out. And before anyone asks, yes, I'm using printline because I don't feel like making a logger.
I think we have a logger, it's just a bit interesting to use.
You mean we have a logger? The logger's broken right now.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
I think we've had this conversation before.
Oh, I'm an idiot. I hate it when I accidentally open it not in debug mode. Because then I can't load it in textures and stuff.
Well, I think...
Yeah, you're not in the right. If you try to reload something, it's not going to reload because you're in the wrong.
What do you mean?
You have it running in. If you don't hit the bug up in the corner when you're running your game, then it won't let you push the stuff into the game.
Oh, I just barely relaunched actually. I think, I don't know, did I have it in the bug mode initially? It's something that I mean, when I used Eclipse, I didn't have to worry about, but that's another me complaining about Eclipse.
I
Oh,
learned how to do it.
here's what the problem is.
Back in my day, we had to use Eclipse.
And we liked it.
So
Some of us still like it.
yeah, okay, so that's why.
Some of us weirdos.
Change that to 13.
Alright, so this is not Minecraft Cube All. This is GeneriTech. I think it's block slash pulverizer. Come to think of, in this block states GeneriTech models block
Yay, it works like it should now.
pulverizer, not Annie. This should be pulverizer active. This should have an underscore in it. Yeah, part of what I'm doing as well is I'm trying to fix the naming convention, which
Okay. Apparently
no.
the furnace is having issues and it thinks that everything is tier 2. Yikes.
Oh, that's not good.
Where does get back temperature used? If get power storage is greater than power usage, then and machine active and smelt paused and smelt is not paused and internal tip is greater. Internal tip is
Wait, it is. Oh, it's the same thing for the furnace here. Oh, it's just GeneriTech. It's not even block. Or is it GeneriTech pulverizer? Pulverizer animated. No, wait. This is it's all such a mess. Blocks machines. Let's make sure this is all correct. So this I need to be set to active. You know, just because I don't want it to be like, oh, but for this thing it's animated and for this one it's active.
Yeah.
The less you have to the more consistent is, the better, is essentially what I'm getting at.
What happened? I'm so confused. 2, 1. You should immediately begin to warm up. Oh, so it is working. The idle temperature is working. Apparently, if it's idle, then the idle temperature is half of what? I think I'm gonna add more logic to make it so that it doesn't like fiddle, like jump up and then jump down, then jump up, then jump down.
Make it so that it reaches a like steady equilibrium or something.
Yeah, because like right now it'll hit 500 and then it'll stop. Okay, so then it'll jump back and forth. So I want it to sit exactly at 500. So I want it to go.
Wrong thing.
See, because right now it's jumping between 6 and 7, and I don't want that. I want it to stay constant at like 500. How would I fix that?
Let's make sure that this is set correctly. Models, block, It is furnace. Okay. Furnace T1 is also that same thing. And I think that might be it. Let's check to make sure this is set properly. I don't know, do I even need to specify the textures? In fact, I don't think we need this pulverizer active .json.
Yeah. Ooh, right now I'm looking for a magical. I'm looking for coal.
Gonna move this, or do something to it to make it very apparent that it is not the mod directory of the actual the actual thing. Inject code. Go into this single player world and set up and reload. Alright, so if this works properly, then the model should update, and if it doesn't, they'll all be broken.
Can idle.
Any second now. And they're broken. Although, I'm not surprised. Here, let's check this is generator. Side basic. For pulverizer. It's... Maybe we need to fix these.
I'm trying to think because I need to put because I'm not keeping my Minecraft on the screen, and I need to do that. So I think I might end up doing what. See, you know what's funny? I've actually started using naming conventions.
For which things?
Like just typing in general, like for my OBS, I've used naming conventions, like the first little lowercase and then every other word after that capital.
Oh. Oh, like camel case.
Yeah.
Here, let's...
I'm trying to think. Where's a good place for you to go?
It's loading the model, but not the textures, so yeah, I think that was all that was up with that. That's a bit weird.
So let's see if this is full screen.
It's causing the lighting to be off.
That actually looks pretty okay.
Need to check that. So this would be furnace left. Would it be on the left side? Check.
Hey,
Furnace.json. Sorry, what?
Do you have my stream open?
No, I don't.
No, I wanted a second opinion to ask if that looked okay. But it's fine.
Yeah, I have Firefox closed to save on the RAM. Or not the RAM, the CPU power.
Oh, yeah. You don't have chat open?
I do have chat open. It's with a separate app.
Oh.
Yeah, so I can still see what's going on.
That looks good enough to me. You're at Minecraft. I'm picking up my mouse. Yep. Okay. That looks okay. Oh wait, I gotta move Minecraft because it's in the way of my chat at the moment.
Left. So I have Coalface, but there's something else. It's not quite right.
Okay. If can idle.
It'd be the left or the right. left, right. The west has something. No, that's normal.
If can idle, and I'm just trying to do this in my head, and this is not working out good.
Oh, it's doing that on both sides. That's kind of bothersome.
If can idle.
I need to fix that at some point. It's probably doing that on all of the ones that have that. Check. So this is the furnace. Oh, the pulverizer. The pulverizer is not updated.
This is going to be a pretty complex if statement now that I'm thinking about it. If cannot. If can idle and let's see. That's if can idle and
Yeah, so that's broken. And that seems to be. Oh yeah, is that using the correct texture? That might be backwards. Oh, but it's probably fine.
okay.
If it is, I'll fix it at some point in the future. Sound engine started. I can't move my mouse because it was stuck in frozen Minecraft land.
Stupidly overcomplicated logic.
Oh. Okay.
So let's see, as this decreases, will it stop at 500? That's the question.
So both of these are broken. Pulverizer. And generator. GeneriTech. Wait, machines. I need to have all of these open. So many JSON files. This is the biggest issue with JSON, is that there's just so many different things that could be going wrong.
Yeah.
That you have to make sure that they're all covered. I mean, I guess it's like that with anything once you have a lot of moving parts, but it's just weird. Frame furnace, power gen, furnace. I want to open all these. I want to open the pulverizer ones too. Open.
I'm trying to think. Oh my god.
And I want to open up the generator and pulverizer, not lead ore.
Yeah.
Alright, so I need to look back here in the assets. Textures, blocks, machines. So I would want... I don't think front needs to be specified. No, there could be sides. Generator front active. Pulverizer front active. And then I would want this to be the same for the png.mcmeta file. Pulverizer T0 front active. And then where was pulverizer T0 front? Alright, so basically everything's going to be broken unless I fix it. I think I would need to open up the... Yeah, the block states. Block states machines, pulverizer T0, front. There we go. I do have it set to be animated, not active, right? No. Blocks. Machines. Yes, it is active, not animated.
I want to know, does that work? This is gonna warm up. I'm gonna go ahead and actually, I don't really want you to warm up that way. I want you to warm up this way. So this should stop it from flickering when it gets to whatever number.
Oh, nice.
Wait, where is this being printed from? Where are you, Mr. Printline? Don't you when you lose your print line?
Yeah.
Print line anymore. Yay! It doesn't flicker anymore.
Block furnace. Okay, let's try that. Any second now. And one of them works. Progress. I don't know why there's no shading on some of the fronts of these blocks. I mean, maybe I'll figure that out, but it's kind of weird. And it bothers me. Pulverizer. Oh, front. But if this works correctly, then oh wait, here we need to. Is the animated one broken too?
What?
Oh, I'm just wondering if the animated textures are broken too.
Oh. Nice. Which animated textures?
Oh, some of this stuff that I'm making. The pulverizer. But maybe it's just broken. I don't know. Oh, my stream, my connection quality went down. But I think it's back. Alright, so now I've got the custom models in place.
Dude, I'm doing great. I haven't streamed this good in a long time.
I don't know what's going on with this pulverizer, but it's kind of broken.
What's wrong with it?
You could probably see on stream.
Break it and place it back down. Break it and place it back down.
Yeah, I know that will fix it, but it's kind of an issue that can happen. Yeah, it's not referencing. Is it set to active? Active faults. It's not updating its flags properly. The pulverizer.
Yeah. That's nice.
No wait, maybe. Oh yeah, it is. I have something broken.
Okay, that sounds better to me. Let's go with that.
My apologies. Apologies for that.
Because you're like, yo, you want to fix this again? I was like, no, not really. Get idle temp -1.
So I don't know why it's not updating the textures. Maybe.
So I did this the laziest way possible by just fixing it in the GUI.
Oh. What did you fix in the GUI?
Well, it would flicker like between when it was on idle, it would flicker between 500 and 499 because like it would hit 500 and then it would stop like warming itself up and then it would drop down to 400 or 499 and then it would like kick back on and then it'll jump back up again.
Mm-hmm. Maybe you could just set it to if it reaches 500 that it doesn't necessarily need to go down. Or here, I'll take a look at the code myself and see if there's something we can do.
I mean, there's something I can do, definitely, but do I want to go through the time to do it? No.
That's probably not a good attitude for making a non-buggy mod.
Because I could add a bunch of if statements to ask, like, if it is active and if it has the power that it needs, then don't lower the power. But I couldn't be bothered.
Right.
Crazy's like, yeah, you. Yeah. Okay. I really like this song. This song's good. Well, I know where the problem is with that thing with the flickering. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I know where the issue lies. The issue lies with my if statement asking if um, it's technically an if statement, then ask and make sure that it won't pull an item into its internal inventory if it can't place it in the if it can't process it and put it in the output slot.
Uh,
Like I could fix it if I spend the time on it, but
oh, this is what's wrong. It's set to reference textures, even though that doesn't need to be there. Like, what's different? What's different between the two? Spot the difference. And here, let's remake the game in debug mode this time. I mean, it was last time too, but you know, that first time it wasn't. So I don't think I need these in here right now. I didn't mean it. What's going on? Oh, there we go. And no, I wanted it to stay open. It didn't though. Okay. Where? Okay, here Minecraft is. I was like, where'd it go? What do? And the energy reservoir. Block states, machines. Where was this in this one over here? GeneriTech, block states, machines. Has its own thing in here.
I can already feel that this is gonna break everything. Yeah, that's gonna break everything. Yep, there it goes, breaking everything. Yeet. Okay.
Oh, I need to fix the names on all these. I don't know what I was thinking. Like, I fix the Nullium axe. Or I had it like that when before it was even required. But it was just different from all the others. And it should probably be pickaxe or whatever. Be hammer Nullium. Not Nullium hammer. Axe Nullium. Boots
I do
Nullium.
not want that to be a long one. That to be a boolean. Thank you. Brain, what are you doing?
I don't know, do I want to keep them separated by the material type? Or like by what kind of tool it is, or by what material it is? Which do you think
I'm
would...
not sure.
Because I think I went through this at some point.
Probably
And
did.
honestly, I think it would be better if it, it was the material first. But now I'm gonna have to go through and fix all these.
No, that ain't gonna work.
I'm conflicted.
You're gonna have some issues with this if statement because it's pretty high up there on the cyclomatic complexity. Oh yeah, I have to restart this. Restart debug close.
Wait, here's the solution. I don't need to change this insofar as the naming convention. I just need more folders. Yeah, so I do need to change all these. I keep entering in plus instead of underscore. So they are separated by the type more so than the other stuff. Then I'll move all the armory into here. Where'd the legging or the helmet? Where's the helmet? Please tell me it's in here. Did I make a helmet? Oh, please tell me I made a helmet.
Oh, I'm getting all confused because I keep getting all kinds of printouts, and then I remember I have like 3 more things placed. Okay, so
Let me check this folder. So this is all my GeneriTech textures.
I don't like how long this is gonna take.
Wait, I don't think these are. I have everything in here. What was this? Oh, this is the old source code. UI block states.
Yeah.
Wait, I
that's
can
what
check
mean.
in here. See if there's anything of use.
Wait, does it switch to true if I just have it running?
No, I didn't make a helmet. What the heck? Let's go to default pack, assets, Minecraft, textures, items.
Oh,
There we go.
I'm an idiot. Okay.
Copy the iron helmet. Go back into here. No, wait. Not here. Into here. Oh my. I keep forgetting about that.
Hey.
I have this cast to device drop down list, and every time it shows up, my computer screen freezes up for a good 5 seconds, and I'm like, oh, what did I do? Okay.
So it is warming up. Okay.
Open these. Time to do some texture editing.
So now it's gonna drop. Oh. Oh, yay. That makes me happy, actually. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Thailand people. Oh, I know what I did. Boop.
Let's try this. Delete that layer. And then, no. We want to merge down. There we go.
I'm gonna push something you might need. No, actually, you don't need to pull. Right. Because I just added some changes to the furnace to make it so that it would actually get active the way it's supposed to be. Because right now the if and I didn't know if the if and statements were right, which they weren't. They wouldn't have been active if the machine was idle. So.
Oh, I see.
So now that should be a working thing. Okay, so that's the furnace. Pretty
Cancel.
much done. I mean, the furnace works. Pulverizer. What does the what bugs with the pulverizer do you think they should be fixing right now?
So what happens is sometimes while it's working, when you put ore into it, it'll like, it's difficult to say what it's doing. It's like taking one out of the item stack but immediately putting it back in.
Okay.
And this is still broken.
And ore.
Active true.
Pop that in there.
No, not that far back.
Put that in there. I have no. I see, but the thing is, I have no correlation to what causes it, so it's like an issue that I don't know how to fix.
No, wait, it does have the textures.
Oh.
Set. What? Wait, is the furnace broken? The textures are. No, those are broken too. What does work?
Yeah. Well, I know what the problem is.
What?
If there's something in the second item slot, that's what causes the issue. Or if it thinks that there's something in the second item slot.
Okay, so I do need that textures thing. What was I thinking? But wait, does the generator have those?
Does the furnace do that? Okay. I think it has something to do with the fact that I did this in a way that I shouldn't have.
Probably.
Well, because I added it to a method that was already there, but I don't want you here. Please go away. Public boolean slot 3. Output slot free. And now I'm going to add an if statement.
Alright, that's wrong.
Making this if statement even fucking longer. This is an ungodly if statement to even look at, dude. Oh my god, it's so bad. Okay.
There's no harm in having that the way it is.
Boom, I think that fixed it. I think I just fixed it. Okay. No, I didn't fix it. What is it? Why is it doing that? Oh, I know why it's doing that.
What? Or what? What's causing it?
Because I added a method and it didn't. I added a method, yeah, and it didn't hot swap.
Oh, I see.
It float away. Yeah, I let it float away. I let it float away. I let it float away. If Ethan Ray's online, I might get him to come in here. No, I don't want to speak. No. I'm gonna float away.
There we go.
Not with me, I'd rather not be saying.
GeneriTech textures, items, tools. I don't know. I honestly think that I should have armor in a separate thing under items. So that's what I'm doing. Come to think of it, should I delineate between tools and weapons, or should that stay the same?
I mean, you can put them on the same tab.
No, I'm just wondering as far as like the folders go. It's broke.
Where is that printing from?
What is
Oh.
generator?
Oh. I did not see that. That was too small for me to see. Give me a moment. Lil. Channel. I will give you a thanks in a moment, please.
Are all of them broken or just one?
Thanks, Ethan Ray. Yee. How's
Power
it going, dude?
Generator.
Why is that printing 1, and where is it printing from? I'm assuming that it's... Yeah, here we go. Pretty good. That's good. Oh, I'm struggling with this right now. It's fine. I've just been playing around. It's been fun.
Oh wait, the airlock gear will probably give me more information.
I'm actually streaming with Crazy Grape.
Yeah.
He's actually working on the same mod, but he's working on models at the moment.
Yeah, models and textures.
Oh, this song's so good.
For ore.
Yeah, that is not a thing that I want to happen. What just happened there, it does not need to happen at all.
Okay, right now, exception loading model for variant GeneriTech ore equals gold. There's still something going on with that we need to fix. Pulverizer T2 facing west. Oh, that's for the power storage.
Oh my god, this if statement has gotten too big. I can't even like read it anymore. Like I don't know what's what.
You can always add in line breaks and stuff. Make it more organized.
Okay, so that's what's asking if it can be processed. And this is the part asking if if either of them are empty. And this one, why is this here? No, I don't. That shouldn't be there. Yeah. No. Where did my lead go? It's a mod that I've been working on for a while. It's the same mod that I was working on when I first started talking to you, Ethan. Or Ethan Ray. So I do not want it to do that. That is not something I want it to do. Why are you doing that? So that should be... Both of these are false. Both of these should be false.
Facing north.
I guess the easiest thing to do is to like take chunks of this and put it in a print line.
Oh, what?
Okay.
I...
So, how's the quality of the stream, Ethan?
I don't know how that line got deleted. But the model broke because I don't know, something. Unless it's normally like that, I don't think it is though.
Oh.
Facing north, it expects something's broken with it facing north. Or maybe no, it's broken on all facing sides.
So many parentheses. So I want a print line.
I think I know what's wrong.
Going from there to there. No, why are you an issue?
Something with this. Still looking for power gen.
Expected.
Wait, is this broken too? No, that's not broken.
Oh, I know what I did.
Maybe this would be on the client side?
So that's false.
Oh, maybe I need to relaunch the game entirely. That may be what was wrong. Because I changed what directory it's looking for, and all of that is loaded during the, what was it, either the pre-init or init phase of loading.
So, you got that weird stretchy thing. I think Crazy understands how you feel. Didn't you have a weird aspect ratio monitor?
Yeah. Well, I still have my second monitor. It's, well, what was it? 1280 by 1080?
I just realized this entire thing is an if statement that is returning a boolean, so this is all unnecessary. What do you... Sorry.
It's, I don't know, I could watch the stream and see, but again, don't have, I want all that processing power. I mean, it's not too bad right now, but it can get pretty bad.
I fixed it, Crazy.
Nice. Am I
It no longer does the weird glitchy in-out thing.
cool?
Yeet. Yay. Oh, wait. Yeah, I did test that. Oh, glitch fixing. Oh, it's so much fun.
I know, right?
But we're getting it done. Go us.
Yeah, I mean, as you can see, this model work. I mean, it's a lot of it's just attention to detail, but it's still like, oh, why?
Yeah. I was just worried because, like,
Let's fix.
sometimes you can't read text, you know? Talking to chat. What?
Mm-hmm.
No. Oh my god, I need to. Internet plus. Thank you. That's good.
Oh, great. The pulverizer's still broken. I would imagine that the furnace is too. Yes.
Yeah. But I mean, I can understand that with how low the resolution is on your monitor. But I mean, if you go full screen and you can read the text, other people should be fine, I guess. I'm assuming. I mean, I asked Crazy about it, but it's just.
Oh,
Yeah.
I can. It just everything will take a while to load. Here, may
Who
as
are you
well.
talking to? You talking to chat as well?
I guess.
Oh,
Talking to
who's
your
talking?
chat.
You talking to my chat?
No, I was talking about going and seeing if it looks weird on your monitor, the stream. Or on my, like, weird aspect ratio monitor.
Yeah. That's what kind of laptops? I mean, I know you're not good at this kind of stuff, but I mean, if you have like old laptops that you don't use anymore, you can turn those into monitors. There's like things you can do, internet tutorials. I mean, if they're 1080p screens, you could upgrade those to. There's like little boards you can buy, and they plug into the back, like a little ribbon cable that comes out of the back of the monitor or the screen, and you can hook that up and then hook like an HDMI to it.
Viewing your stream for even just a few seconds kind of tanked my bit rate, but I can see the text fine even on my other monitor.
That's nice.
Yeah, I checked beforehand to see if I could read like my own stuff at 720p. I am streaming in 1080 right now, but it was still readable at 720p.
Yeah. So Crazy, what do you think of streaming?
That's not bad. It's more when I finally get around to it, sort of a thing. I don't know. I suppose I kind of get some sort of weird anxiety. It's not that I get nervous about actually streaming, but like I feel guilty for not doing it, but then I have other things that I'm trying to do. For instance, like me trying to install Gen 2 on my old laptop. That's been kind of a big time eater.
Yeah.
And I've still got issues with it. I can't get it to boot into UEFI mode so that I can finalize the installation process. Ugh. But yeah, I'll figure it out eventually. It's just I've kind of put that to the side for right now.
See, the thing is, when I stream, I can only stream after my family goes to bed because the bitrate cleans itself up after that.
Yeah, I can see that.
And I just get better bitrate at nighttime. So
these spamming
through Snapchat stories.
Snapchat. There's no reason why it shouldn't be working. But that's not how JSON files seem to work.
JSON doesn't really have a autocomplete and stuff like that, so.
Well, the stuff I'm using, Notepad++, it has autocomplete for stuff that is already in the file. So when you're like trying to name a bunch of things the same thing, you don't have to type the whole thing out, except I still do sometimes.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm trying to think, how would you want me to do like the sides for like for the power storage block?
The sides, what do you mean, like how to determine what side is what?
Yeah.
Well, one thing we could do is if we had it such that that block model that is in the configuration, if we could set that up such that it what's the words, so that it updated live with how it's being configured, because you know how we were gonna do the custom block models and stuff for that. That could probably help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, that sucks.
What?
Having Ethan, when he does like downloads or if he uploads or if he connects to a torrent, his internet dies.
Oh, well. Yeah, that is kind of sucky. Yeah, I'm pretty lucky to be in a place right now that has good internet. And even still, my internet is very unstable. I'll have periods of time where I won't be able to stream at all because it'll be fast 1 minute and then completely dead the next.
Yeah. My internet's pretty stable, but if someone gets on it and like starts downloading a bunch of stuff or watching a bunch of movies, and I start having issues. I wish I had fiber, dude, because I'd be streaming in 1080p, 30 FPS for everything, or in 60 FPS, 720p. I'd be streaming a lot more if I had that kind of internet. I'd be streaming like every day, trying to get a stream out every day.
Yeah, for the past actually 2 or 3 days, I've been meaning to stream this right here, but I haven't, precisely because of my connection being unstable. And it turned out that one day my connection was bad. It was actually more the router, because our router's probably the biggest issue with why my internet's bad.
Is it your router? Like, is it your modem or your router?
Oh, it's both. We have an all-in-one modem router thing, and we need to get like dedicated modem and router, because when you have it all in one thing.
You know you don't have to get it from the internet company. You just have to like.
Yeah, I know. It's just something that we currently have.
Yeah, you might want to get that fixed.
But we're also trying to, I mean, my dad was he was wanting to get a very high quality one, like one of those several $100 Asus ones, because, you know, they're nice, they're high quality, they have a long range. But, yeah.
The upload speed that you get is 25 megs per second. That's not a downside. I get one and it usually sits around 1.5. Like that's the average. How do you fry your modem? Put it on a.
Maybe you can fry.
You really need.
Fry.
Put it on a surge protector, dude.
Oh, that sort of fried the modem. Yeah, it's really a bad idea to have any electronics of value not running on a surge protector.
Like I have my PC running on a UPS and UPS/surge protector.
And a lot of surge protectors, the manufacturers of them have a warranty such that if your electronics do fry on them, they'll actually replace them. Or some of them do.
Yeah. That's if you get a good one.
Yeah, do your research. For sure. I mean...
I have a
my connection is really bad right now.
Oh, there goes.
I'm sorry. My internet is going through some patches right now. Patchiness.
Now you're on wired, right? For your.
Me?
Yeah.
No.
You're wireless.
Yes, I am wireless.
That's problem one.
No, even our wired has issues. It's the modem / router thing.
What frequency are you on?
Currently, mine doesn't detect, like my current adapter doesn't detect 5G, so I'm on 2.4.
You do understand that, like, if a microwave comes on in your house in 2.4, it jams the signal.
If a gets turned on?
Yes.
I don't. I didn't know that, but it makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, I typically don't stream when people have like. I don't know. Maybe someone is using the microwave right now. I don't know.
That's what you do. You just have a switch in your room, and you can turn off the microwave when you're ready to stream.
It's just like boop, dead for the time being.
Someone's like right when you start streaming, someone's in the middle, like cooking some hot pockets.
Yeah, we actually don't have hot pockets here, but yeah, I know what you mean.
You have like, are you one of those healthy families?
Not necessarily. We just never buy Hot Pockets or Doritos or Mountain Dew. It's not that like my family is like, oh, we shouldn't eat those. It's just that I'm used to not eating them, so I typically don't. It's not that they taste bad or anything. I don't know. I mean, I'll eat microwaved chimichangas. You know, the kind that come in the freezer packs or whatever.
Oh my god, that looks weird. Look at my stream. Oh, wait, no, yeah, don't do that.
Okay.
I forgot that when you do that, it Maybe you should stop buying laptops and spend some money on your desktop.
Yeah, a good desktop computer usually can't go wrong.
I have a Mountain Dew can, and it's invisible because of my green screen.
Oh. Does it look just kind of like weird, or is it completely invisible?
Completely invisible.
Really, even like the red part of the logo and stuff?
No, the red part of the logo is fine.
Oh.
But like every other part of the can, so it's just like a floating red logo.
So it just
turn the can around.
It just looks like. Sorry.
Yeah.
I was just gonna say, looks like your stream's sponsored by Mountain Dew.
Yeah.
With the little watermark.
Yeah. sponsored. You need to get like a job and get good PC. Because I mean, I got my PC is pretty nice, and I do that a lot. And I should probably get back to modding. I've just been chatting here, not doing anything for a while. I finished my goal, and then I was like, yeah. Okay, so /time set day. I don't like this song that much. No.
What I hate about these JSON errors is it's always something so simple that
Oh, you forgot semicolon.
something so simple that it's going wrong. And
Yeah,
then when you finally find it, it's like, how did I not catch that? But right now I am not seeing what's wrong.
Yeah, it is Ethan, right? Why?
The binary patch set is missing.
So we have a mod at the moment that I've actually done a lot tonight. Like, I've fixed a lot of bugs that I really didn't want to have to fix.
Oh, you've got music going in your stream, don't you?
Yeah.
I don't. So I need to get some sort of music going. Future stream, I'll do that. I'll get that set up. Or I could just use that one piano track that I have, or not that I have, but that I use. That requires YouTube, unless I download the audio off of it.
Yeah. And close. Oh, yeah. I mean, I know about it, but it's just like I just never get around to it because, like, why?
So I need to know, is it all of them that are broken, or just some of them? These furnaces and stuff. I kind of dislike that these show up backwards, or that these place backwards when you hold down shift.
Yep. I have a thingy now.
Cool. Powered furnace, then I need to get tier 2, tier 3.
The only issue is I think at the This is gonna be pretty funny, but hold on, let me test this real quick. Do a quick little test. So I'm gonna take everything out of this. I'm gonna let it run out. I'm gonna break it, and then I'm going to get this one, and this one. I'm going to go place. You get 1 coal. You get 1 coal.
Yeah, so that's broken.
You get a stack. You get a stack.
What's...
Yeah, this one isn't even gonna finish 1, and this will do like 3. So, crazy. At the moment, you wanna hear something pretty hilarious? Super funny.
Okay, what?
When you use the generator and the pulverizer, 1 coal doesn't even give you enough to smelt like 1 ore. But for the 1 coal and the tier 0 gives you enough to smelt like let's see, it's at 5 and it's not even halfway down yet. That's 6. Yeah, I think we have an issue with our efficiencies at the moment. So what do you think a fair ratio for 1 coal to how many smelting processes things can do?
I think we want to keep it so that, like, by default, it gives you 8. But then you can have, like, efficient so that it takes less fuel per operation. My bad. Did you hear what I was saying?
Yeah.
No, so that, like, by default it gives you 8, but you can increase the efficiency.
So the Thailand City Pulverizer uses at the moment take power. Okay, so that obviously got fixed at some point.
Ooh.
So power usage. Power usage. Do you want power usage to be different for each of the machines?
Power usage to be different for each of the machines?
Yes.
Yes. I think for the tier 2, we'd want it to save, I don't know, 25%, and then the tier 3 to save 50%.